Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. Today in this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of your Grammarly account. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Now firstly you need to make sure that you're inside the Grammarly account, and in order to get logged out of your Grammarly account, you simply have to scroll this menu a bit down, and there at the bottom you will be able to see this sign out button. Now tap on that button and there you go, you have successfully logged out of your Grammarly account. Now if in case you want to get logged into your Grammarly account, then you have to simply tap on login button at the top right and there type in the email address that you have used to create your account, or you can simply tap on sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple, whichever account you have used to create your Grammarly account. Now if you have used your email address, you have to type in your email address, then your password, and then get logged into your Grammarly account. Now that's how easily you can get logged out of your Grammarly account. I hope this tutorial video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.